Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we finished up this 22 Tundra TRD Pro with the Fox, factory Fox suspension. It took us a little longer than we anticipated on this for a couple of reasons. We're right in the middle of our move. We're moving right now. So trying to do this and juggle things, it made it tough. That's actually why I'm showing you this truck now. And we only did one wheel set that we fitted on this. And basically it's the wheel set off the white Tundra. They were already mounted and balanced. And so it minimized the amount of time that it was going to take for us to get this all done for you. We did a bunch of different testing as far as ride quality goes, for height, for clearancing, everything, and we found that this was the best combination to retain the factory ride on this truck. That's the biggest thing for us. These people buy these trucks, buy with the Fox suspension. We want them to be able to retain that suspension and not take away from that ride quality, but maximize the lift that we can get out of this truck without that. So we've got 37s on it. People are gonna say, oh, those are BFGs, mud trains, the KM3s, they run a little bit small. Yes, they do. They run about a ½ inch small. So you got a 1/4 inch on both sides of the tire, additional clearance probably that you're looking at. But we pinned back the lower fender in here with the clip that we use, and it clears there. These trucks do not have the retractable air dam on them, so they run the felt up underneath right to the front of the bumper. We just pushed it forward a little bit. We didn't have to trim it. We didn't have to modify it. We're able to get it to work without rubbing. Would it clear 37s? Absolutely it would. It's just going to take the right offset if you're going to run a true like a Toyo or Nitto on this truck to get it to clear. This truck actually sits a little bit higher than what our normal kit does. We came in on the front at 25, so we picked up let's see, 2 1/4 inches in the front from factory, and then the rear we picked up 1 1/4 inches in the rear from factory. So it sits a little bit higher. It's 25 in the back and 25 1/4 in the back and 25 in the front. So it's a 1/4 inch lower in the front than it is the back. But we want to always try to set them up with just a slight rake. You might be able to see it, you might not be able to see it. And then here again, obviously with our wheels on it, we think it looks really good with the wheels on it. The colors go together with the TRD Pro and everything on it. It really accents this truck well. Could you go higher with it? Yes. Yes, people are gonna ask me, can you go higher? Yes, you could. But we are all about the ride quality and performance and getting out there and being able to utilize the suspension on this truck without compromising it or compromising any of the parts that go along with it. So with this setup, you're not gonna have to worry about it prematurely bottoming out. You're not gonna have to worry about all the geometries of the factory the same. Yes, there's a little more angle on the upper control arm, but that all will adjust into the specs on the alignment. So please take a look at this. Tell us what you think. We think the truck looks really good. It rides really nice. It aligned great. And the gentleman is going to be picking it up tomorrow that lives in Texas and to drive this thing home, so he'll get to experience it. And then we hope to share that with you and some of your guys that are out there that have new pros on order and get you in the lift and get you set up. And then we want to hear your feedback. So we hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching.